How to measure and install Secure View in-swing French doors to a timber frame. On French doors, an important measurement is to note the door handle's protrusion and the jamb depth. If a build-out frame is needed, this can change the way you measure and calculate your deductions. This door handle sticks out 65 mm. The timber jamb reveal is 105 mm. The difference of 45 mm allows us to install the door without requiring a build-out frame. We'll install our double in-swing security doors on the existing door jamb. For this installation, we'll need the following accessories: bug strips by 2, 1 T-mullion, 1 G-mullion, and 1 doorstop. We measure the widths from the inside jamb to the opposite inside jamb. Wood frames, and especially on older homes' French doors, we measure the top, middle and bottom widths to find differences and to inspect the door's overall squareness. The top is 1,127 mm, middle is 1,125 mm, and bottom is 1,127 mm. In this case, we'll deduct 16 mm to compensate for hinges, 8 mm, T-mullion, 2 mm, and G-mullion, 2 mm. The striker plates, 1 mm, and the clearances, 3 mm. After we take off these width deductions, we divide this by 2 for each door ordering size. Manufacture size is top and bottom 555.5 mm, middle 554.5 mm. In this scenario, we have different door sizes and they are half millimeters. For all double insect or security doors, the center join needs to be straight. We bow the hinge sides only. In our ordering portal, use the out of square function to bow the hinge sides of each door. Measure the drop height from the bottom sill to the top of the head. As we did with the width, measure the left, middle and right sides. The drops are square with 2,017 mm across. Deduct 12 mm for manufacture size. On in-swing doors, the lock will be located on the right side on the left panel. Don't forget to check the Adjust Triple Lock for flush bolt matching on your ordering portal order for any doors with a triple lock in it. The LBB height will be 1,050 mm. The pre-existing door lock height is very low. An LBB of 1,050 mm evenly spaces the main lock from the triple lock points that engage with a flush bolt door. Installing the doors by lifting the panels into place. Fix off the middle screw of all hinges and test the door's squareness and alignment. When you square the door, you can fix the remaining holes. Mark off your top and bottom flush bolt holes with the door in the closed position. Drill your holes, finishing with an 11.5 mm drill bit. Test the flush bolt alignment. Measure and cut the T-mullion to size. Note, order the T and G mullions as an accessory when ordering hinge doors in our ordering portal, and we'll cut out the striker and flush bolt sections as you see here. Trim the ends to size. Measure the T-mullion from the bottom of the top beading to the top of the flush bolt plate. We have 120 mm. Then on the top end of the T-mullion, mark the flush bolt cutout and cut excess. Now measure the length from the bottom sill to the bottom of the top bead. Measurement is 2,003 mm. Deduct 3 mm for cut size. Fix off the T-mullion to the door using 10 mm countersunk screws to the top and bottom. Installing the lock by attaching the lock body and fix with screws. Align the strikers with the other door and screw off striker plates in position. Test the lock. Measure and cut bug strips from outside with the door in a closed position. Measure from doorstop beading to the edge of the T-mullion and deduct 1 mm. Insert pile, crimp ends and fix to the door with self-tapping screws. Finish the installation by fixing the G-mullion. This accessory has already been cut to size from manufacture. Mirror the fixing points from the T-mullion with countersunk screws as well for a professional finish. There you go, another Starline Security video. To become a Starline Security dealer, access our website www.starlinesecurity.net.au.